Today, we will be assembling the 24-volt Thunder Tank by Action Wheels Toys. While the toy is upside down, install the front axle piece through the frame, and then through the front wheel. Tighten and secure, and then repeat on both sides. To install the rear wheel, match up the coupling to the motor. And then match up the rear wheel to the coupling. Install the rear axle. With the rear axle pushed through, finish the rear wheel assembly on the other side. Tighten and secure. Install the wheel caps for a clean, finished look. Return the toy upright and install the front pieces by snapping them into place. Make sure to secure it with the 2 screws provided. To install the backrest, simply snap it into place. You will hear a large click sound when it is securely fitted. To install the steering wheel, first find the 2 terminals on the body and the 2 terminals on the steering wheel. Connect them in the right order, and then install the steering wheel. Secure into place using the bolt provided. To install the cannon, first connect the wires from the body to the cannon. And then secure into place using the 2 screws provided. To install the machine gun, connect the wires from the machine gun to the wires in the body. And then secure into place using the 2 screws provided. To remove the seat, unscrew the 2 screws toward the front of the seat. Here you will find the battery. Connect the battery terminals to the main wire terminals. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call our friendly, trained staff.